Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am here to discuss with you the details about such an amazing online product based company where you can connect and help all the people available globally and you can get the help in return as well. So today we are talking about a refer and earning platform which is Super 20 and the official website of this is www.super20.co.in. So let's start this video with the introduction details where Super 20 is such a platform which has started its operation and now is becoming a leading direct selling company. And this is dealing in world class product where the product brand name is Super 20. If we talk about the main mission of this platform, so the mission is to capture the exponential growing global market and to give the members a chance to earn and become a benchmark in direct selling. So all the legal documents of Super 20 has been displayed on your screen. Where now moving ahead, if we talk about the complete income model, so here in this income plan, you are getting such an opportunity where with Super 20 you have the potential to fulfill all your dreams, whether it is your dream house, family protection, financial freedom, dream car, or even time freedom. So, if you also want to be the part of this platform, then today itself you can start your earning journey. Where if we talk about some reasons that why you should join Super 20, so here you are going to get the support from all the levels, all the sides, such as from your upline, downline, crossline, and even from the company's part. So, in order to join this platform, two packages are available where the value of first package is 20 rupees and the value of second package is 2000 rupees. With a 20 rupees of package, you will be eligible to get the incomes from here, and with a 2000 rupees of package, if you activate your ID with this complete package, so that's known as a full package, then you will also get a product from the company side. The product is ladies fashionable sari and that will be available with the package of 2000 rupees. And here's how you can start with minimum 20 rupees on which you are going to get amazing level benefit and even reward. So if we talk about the level benefit which you can get on the package of 20 rupees, then you will get this from a total of 4 levels. Where in level 1, if you have a team of 4 members, then your rank would be silver. You will get 10 rupees from them each. Total income would be 40 rupees, out of which auto upgrade for the next level will be done with 30 rupees and your net income from first level would be 10 rupees. In level 2, when there are 16 members in your team, your rank would be gold. You will get 30 rupees from each. Total income would be 480 rupees. Next level auto upgrade will be done with 380 rupees and your net income will be 100 rupees. In level 3, when there are 64 members in your team, your rank would be rupee. You will get 380 rupees from each. Total income would be 24,320 rupees. Next level auto upgrade will be done with 14,000 rupees. A 320 rupees of amount will be deducted for platform fee and your net income from third level would be 10,000 rupees. And finally in the fourth level, when there are 256 members in your team, your rank would be diamond, income would be 14,000 rupees. Total income which you will get will be 35,84,000 rupees. There is no need of doing auto upgrade and your net income would be the same. So that's how you can get this amazing benefit in lakhs of rupees. Where now moving ahead, if we talk about the reward bike fund which you can get from here. So you just need to achieve diamond rank. On achieving the diamond rank, for which we have discussed the criteria above, you will get 2 lakh rupees as bike fund. So imagine just by joining with 20 rupees, you can get these amazing benefits. Now, if you start with a full package of 2000 rupees, then on that also you will get level benefit from 4 levels. Where in level 1, when there is a team of 4 members, your rank would be silver. You will get 1000 rupees from each. Total income would be 4000 rupees. Next level auto upgrade will be done with 3000 rupees and your net income will be 1000 rupees. In level 2, when there is a team of 16 members, your rank would be gold. Income would be 3000 from each. Your total income will be 48,000 rupees. Next level auto upgrade would be done with 38,000 rupees and your net income will be 10,000 rupees. Similarly, the details has been displayed on your screen for all the 4 levels, where all the completion of the 4 level, you will get 35 crore 84 lakh rupees of very big amount as your great earning benefit. Moving ahead, if we talk about the rewards which you can get from here. So friends, if you achieve the silver rank, then you will get a wristwatch as your reward. If you achieve gold rank, then you will get a mobile worth 10,000 rupees. If you achieve ruby rank, then you will get 5 lakh rupees as car fund. And if you can achieve diamond rank, then you are going to get 10 lakh rupees as house fund. Now, how to achieve this target? So, if your dream is big, you have the passion to do something, then you will be able to achieve the target within just 28 days. Where in the first week, you have to do total 4 joinings, in second week, 16 joinings, in third week, 64 joinings, and in fourth week, 256 joinings. That's how within 28 days, you will be eligible to get these amazing benefits. Now, finally, we talk about the fund income which you can get from here. So, on getting 100 IDs of fund, you will get 2 extra IDs. On 200 IDs, you will get 5 extra IDs. And on 300 IDs, you will get 8 extra IDs. So, if you want fund from company, you should send minimum 100 rupees. Otherwise, if you want below 100 rupees fund, then you can pay it to your upline. So these were the details about Super 20, where now if we talk about the terms and condition, so minimum withdrawal is of 20 rupees. You can do the withdrawal through Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm and even account. 24/7 withdrawal facility is available. Withdrawals are processed within 1 hour of request submission. Only one withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. All level income will be added night at 12 am. 4 direct joinings are compulsory within 1 month. Deduction would be 18% for rewards, 2%